Hello students, welcome to my channel Theory Maths and welcome to class. I'll be solving the question displayed on the screen. There are things that have been mentioned in the question. One, we are given that the roots are x is equals to 3. Then we're told that x is equals to minus 1 over 2. Then we are given the equation x squared minus into p minus 1 x plus 1 over 3q is equals to 0. Now we are asked to find the values of p and q, the constants. Now you see, it means that the equation formed by this root 3 and minus half is the same thing as the equation that we have containing the constant p and q. So what we are going to do is the step 1, what to do here is to form an equation given the roots 3 and minus half. Okay, so let me teach you how to form this equation. What you have to do now is to come down to say, okay, x is actually equals to 3, or x is equals to minus half. Now this is x, bringing 3 down to this becomes minus 3 is equals to 0, or in this case we cross multiply first so that we have 2x is equals to minus 1. So this is x minus 3 is equals to 0, or we have 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. I'm forming the equation now. Now, once we know that each of them is equals to 0, it means when I multiply them, x minus 3 down with x plus 1, everything must still be equals to 0. So expanding it, x times 2x gives me 2x squared. Then x times 1, I have x, then minus 6x, then minus 3 is equals to 0. So what I have here will be 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Why did I do this? It is to tell you that the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0, and the one given, which is x squared minus plus 1 over 3q, are the same. So all I need to do is to make it more, to look alike the more. So I have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now, if you check, the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So what I will do, I will now divide here by 2, divide all through by 2, so that I'm going to have x squared minus 5 over 2x, then minus 3 over 2 is equals to 0. Of course, the equation given to us is x squared minus into p minus 1, then I have x, then plus 1 over 3q is equals to 0. Remember, we said they are the same thing. You see, what I've succeeded in doing is, check it out. Here we have x squared, here we have x squared. So we are going to compare the terms or the coefficients. Now see what is going to happen. Look at this. I'll see them as the same. So the coefficients, what I'm going to have now will be that minus 5 over 2x. Instead of picking the coefficient, I can pick the whole term. It's still the same thing. Equals to minus p minus 1x. Now you can see that the minus will cancel each other. And of course, the x will cancel each other. So what I'm left with will be 5 over 2 is equals to p minus 1. Okay? Now, picking minus 1 to the other side, I'm going to have 5 over 2 plus 1 is equals to p. All right? So my answer will be, therefore, the LCM here, okay, on the left-hand side is 2. So I'm going to have 5 plus 2. So ECP now will be 7 over 2, which is 3.5. So I've gotten my P. Then I'll do same on this side, so that, check out this now. If you check, I will now have this, all right, being equal to themselves. So I'll have minus 3 over 2 is equals to 1 over 3q. Okay, so coming here, I have minus 3 over 2, all right, is equals to 1 over 3q. The same thing as saying minus 3 over 2 is equals to q over 3. Then once you cross multiply, you are going to have minus 9 is equals to 2q. So that q will be equals to minus 9 over 2. And q now is the same thing as saying minus 4 whole number 1 over 2. So these are my values. P is 3.5 and Q is minus 4.5. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more interesting videos.